Give me just a second.
Is it a pepper?
All right. This is the monster's kidneys. You ready? You're passing. All right. You ready? All right, here you go.
Can I eat this? Oh, it feels so good! It feels so good! Yes, take it, It feels like a peach. My hands.
This is what stays in the bowl. Okay. And then the last one we've got is the monster's brains.
Oh my God! What
So they put the bowl in front of you and you just touch it.
No! Can I walk out?
Have a seat.
Olivia, you said you weren't going to be squeamish.
Yeah, I thought you
Just
said
stay in the
you
bowl.
with your brother and you were fine.
It'll fall apart.
It's like a wet paper towel.
Right?
Can I eat it? Can I eat it?
What is that?
If you want to, but
I mean,
have you ever had brains before?
I'm not very smart.
Turn your hand upside down.
this is probably
Reach in the bowl. There you go. Okay, you guys can take off your blindfolds now.
Stop!
So the brains were tofu.
I thought. What was it?
Tofu. And then the ears were pepper with mustard on it. And then
I knew it
the
was a
eyeballs
pepper. I
were
knew it.
small potatoes.
I knew it. It felt like it. That's not
Really
The skin was a tortilla. That was a really good guess.
No, he actually got almost all of them right.
Right?
They said you got it wrong on the eyes. They know.
And then the bones were
I
sticks.
thought it was a pepper. So you were right about
Sorry,
all
Miss
three.
Price.